just want to make sure you finish on this side, right?
Yeah.
Because the lean going this way. So you can cut half here and then go on this side and finish it all.
Yeah.
And I'll hook up some like a 3-to-1.
Okay.
For Tom.
What about a bore cutter?
You could bore cut. That would be good. Yeah. Hey Tom, have you seen this trucker's hitch? Yeah, it's like a 3-to-1.
Yeah.
Right?
What's that weird twisty thing?
Yeah. You take a bite here, put it on top, grab it once, grab it a second time, and then this bottom part twist. Reach through there, take a bite, bring this all the way back. We can use the porty for this. Just pop it in there. Okay. And then just come here. There you go. That's like a 3-to-1.
I like that way because, yeah, I could do an alpine, but then
Yeah,
right,
I just find
this is easy.
This is easy and it unties like nothing.
Like nothing. Yeah.
Hey, Beef. Here, just hold that.
Check the other side first.
Okay. Yeah, don't pull. It's a bore cut?
Yeah, it's a bore
Bore cut? Okay. We'll get her nice and tight and then you can snap it off.
It can snap off when you crank it.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah.
One more. Okay. There he goes. Hey. There's a special way to untie it. There's a special way to untie it, otherwise you'll end up with a knot in the middle. Got her? Right on.